Apparently, I ordered quite a bit of extra stuff from IPSY this month in April. My April package still hasn't arrived, but all of this did. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what I ordered. A lot of it's stuff that I've already ordered and I know that I like, and then there's some things I think I probably will like, and some things are just way new. I always like this. To you, from you. You need to treat yourself well. So I purchased this for the Murad eye cream because I like Murad products and I always need eye cream because I'm an old lady with baggy eyes. I also purchased it because this Generation Clay is an excellent pink mask. I really do like it. And the 1-on-1 Skin Serum really works well on my face, and it's quite pricey to purchase, so this is a good cheap way to get it. I've reviewed that in previous videos. These types of masks are not my favorite, but what I found out is there's so much product down in here that if you take the mask out and kind of let some of it drip down in the package, then you can fold the package back up and you'll still have plenty of product to put on your face for another day. Like I've got some that I've been using for a couple of weeks. So these are to moisturize and comfort skin. And then I'm not crazy about the bags because I'm still using one of the first bags I ever got, a silver bag, and I'll probably give this one to one of my students at school, but they're cool. You always have a fresh bag, right? This is something new for me, vitamin C primer. I think it goes on before makeup, I'm not sure. This, like I said, I like the Murad products, and this is a Essential C Cleanser. I do religiously wash my face twice a day. And even though I did my beauty quiz and put that I had medium skin, the foundations they've been sending me have been quite light. So I ordered these in dark, these foundations, in darker. I'm not really a fan of Tarte, but it was dark, and I thought at least I can mix it with the ones that they sent me that are lighter and possibly get something that's closer to my skin color. And it's about to hit the summertime, so my skin will get a little bit darker in the summertime. Not that dark, I don't think, but try something new. I can't find why I ordered another set of these. So I don't know if something happened and they sent me a free something. I've got to contact them during business hours. But this is exactly the same as what I just showed you that I did order. And then this is a bronzer that I just don't use bronzer. And I wouldn't have ordered this. And I don't need any more highlighters. And I don't use colored pencils that much. So I wouldn't have ordered this either. So I'm not sure where this came from. Oh, I always check the box when I pull this out. When I pull that out, I found another little gift in there. Verify eye serum. I love eye serums. See how dark these are. Ooh, that one comes out really runny. The Tarte that I had before didn't give me very good coverage. These are darker. This looks like it's going to be really thick. You can see the difference in the color. I just rubbed those together in the back of my hand and then put them on my face. So they're not going to be too far off from my summer face. So they're probably going to be about the color that I need after the summer. So I'm coloring my hair with a blue purple mask. That's a lot of box for a tiny little, look at that. Looks like you're going to get a little pump. Well, the whole thing about IPSY is sample size stuff. No smell. This is a wonderful, wonderful clay mask. I'm very happy to see it because I think I just used the rest of mine up. Smells so good. Really draws out some impurities. This, like I said, is a great serum. Clear and a little bit goes a long way. This is a nice size of the Murad. Has a little mild orange scent. This looks like didn't quite get on there correctly. Very glittery. Now that, doesn't smell good. It smells kind of like rancid fat. No, that does not smell good. My regular April IPSY bag cost $13.20. I got this add-on for $3.30. My skinny mask, turmeric and vitamin C clay mask. I'm sure, yep, there it is. So there's my add-on. That's quite a nice size for an add-on. I just adore clay masks. I'm a big fan of clay masks. That's what that one looks like. It has a kind of a medicinal smell. I don't think I've ever used a yellow mask before, so that will be new. Here's the bag. It's seems like it's made out of a linen type, cottony type material. It has this little drawer, zipper drawer. And I like that they include a card that tells you everything that's in the bag. And looking forward to some of this. Check in the comments below the video as well as in the text below the video, and I'll share my link in case you want to try IPSY for yourself or someone else. It helps me out a little bit. So I have this brush. Concealer Perfecting. I don't know how to say that, but that is a very nice soft brush. We have a Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I'm kind of a mascara snob. I want waterproof mascaras, and most of the ones that you get from places like this are not. I'll try it. Nice brush. I just very quickly used this, and it made my lashes like really, really long, and literally took seconds. It was so easy to apply. So this is surprising. Probably not waterproof, but it's super easy to use with great results. No odor. Another nice size product. Watermelon cleanser and makeup remover. I like these because I use the facial brush that I have a review up. You can go back and check that. Squirt a little bit of this on there. It cleanses my face. Ooh, it's coming out. So that's what that looks like. Very jelly-like. Very mild, mildly scented. And Ren products are very, very good. I got a sample of a Ren product and it was actually, can't find it anymore, so I was very excited to see this. The Ren product that I used before was like magic on my face. So I'm hoping this is a replacement. So, kind of orangey. Doesn't have much of an odor. And last but not least, a body scrub, gray sea salt, and bamboo and charcoal. That's a lot of stuff in there. It's kind of scary, doesn't it? Yeah, let's rub this in and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's got some granules in it. So if you like experimenting and trying new products, this is a really cheap way. IPSY. If you'll check in the text below, I'll provide a link on how you can have these delivered to you for fun. Check in the text below and in the comments section, and I'll try to provide links in case you're interested in trying some of these products. Thanks for watching my video about the IPSY add-ons for April. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. If you want to join IPSY, remember that I'm providing a link down underneath the text of this video and also in the comments. And until next time, let's just help each other try new things, right?